Today we are making Ofe Akwu stew. Yeah. I'm boiling my meat. Making use of cow leg. So you need it to boil very well. Okay, I'm still boiling my meat because this cow leg takes time to cook. I want to check on my akwu seed. Okay, I think it's okay right now. It's time to mat this. Time to grind it rather. Okay, this is the oil extracted from the kernel seed. Like I said, today we're making Ofe Akwu, and this is the protein I'll be using for the stew. This is my grounded crayfish and pepper, my Scentleaf and Stockfish. This is the buffet I'll be using. So stay tuned, okay? Ofe Akwu stew is boiling. While that is boiling, let me be roasting this Ogiri Igbo. Wow, that's okay. My kitchen smells so nice right now. Okay, that's it. Adding my salt, seasoning cube, crayfish and pepper. Wow! That's my ogiri after I roasted it. Okay, I'll allow this to cook. Okay, Ofe Akwu stew is ready. Just added my Scentleaf. We are done. We are done. Ofe Akwu stew. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like. Feel free to comment. Thank you. It's done.